Have you ever wondered what our internet installation process looks like? When you call to inquire about our internet services, our dedicated staff will identify your location and determine if it's located within our serviceable area. If we see that you are located within our serviceable area, we will schedule a time to come out and perform an on-site survey. The on-site survey determines the quality of the internet connection. Our internet service is based on line of sight. Therefore, we need a clear line of sight from your residence to our internet tower to provide the best connection possible. If the site survey passes, we will then discuss the various options for installation and proceed with installing internet on your home. During the physical installation process, our field technician will use specific mounting hardware to install a wireless radio unit on your home. The type of hardware used will depend on the type of structure and location that we are mounting to. After the radio unit is mounted, our technician will install an Ethernet cable that runs from the radio unit to inside the home. We will try to use existing entry points if possible. Next, our technician will power on your radio, connect it with your home network, and ensure that you are officially online. Rest assured, our field technicians are highly trained and will make sure the installation meets our high standards. A benefit to using ProValue Internet Service is our 24/7 technical support line. If at any point you have questions or difficulties with your internet service, you can call our live technical support staff who is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As a family-owned and operated business, we treat our customers like we treat our family. So give us a call today and let us connect you